but ìpínlẹ̀ wo lẹ ti wá?
Oyo State.
Okay, Oyo State. Ẹ bá mi dárúkọ ìlú márùn-ún lọ́yọ̀ State. Ah,
I don't
ìlú come. Ìlú wo lẹ ti wá lọ́yọ̀
know.
State?
I can't remember.
Where are you from?
I don't know.
Where did you come from?
I don't know.
Okay, let me ask this thing. Let me give you. We have Ibadan. You are in Ibadan. Ibadan is a town on its own. That's one. We have Oyo town. So at least if you don't know anything, I expected you to know
I
those
don't
two,
know anything.
and probably where you have
It's local government that
that you didn't base here. Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán o.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí lorúkọ yín?
Èmi ò gbọ́ Yorùbá díẹ̀díẹ̀ ni o.
Ẹ mọ̀ kí ni orúkọ yín?
Gideon
Gideon.
Upgo
Okay, state wo lẹ ti wá?
Benue State.
Benue State. Ṣé ẹ lè dárúkọ town 5 ní Benue State?
Òtùpó, Ọ̀gbádìbò, Òtúpá, Òhìmìnì,
Okay, that's all.
Orokam.
Orokam. Okay, that's fine. So second question, me actually is more of a Yoruba song, but I don't know if you know it, but I can ask you. Okay, so I will start the song, then you help me finish it. Ta ló wà nínú ọgbà náà?
Èmi ò gbọ́ ni.
It's not like Yoruba reduce like when we're young, all these nights, folk tales and stuff like that. So it's a kind of Yoruba where children gather around. So more like the primary school version of police and thief, where they were running after each other. So there's a song they used to sing around that stuff. So I was going to start the song while you complete it for me, but since you don't understand Yoruba, so I will just free you.